back to Park Superior Sales Showroom. Today we're going to be going over the new MK coach, Lincoln Nautilus. As you can see, this coach here has a half slick top where the front is painted to match the body of the hearse and the back has a nice tuxedo vinyl wrapped around. You can also order this with a full vinyl top if you weren't a fan of the half slick appearance. This hearse here features the optional built-in rising urn carrier. So another new option to this year is the European style window, which you can see has a nice little U shape to the bottom of it. And what that allows is when the family is following behind during a cremation ceremony, they can have a nice field of vision into the back and see their loved one. This coach comes available in front-wheel drive and can also be ordered in all-wheel drive. We have many of these vehicles stocked and ready to go. So if you'd like to add one of these to your fleet, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com. Thank you.